Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to discuss about the key differences between ChatGPT and Google Bard AI application. So in the market today, ChatGPT and Google Bard are very famous AI applications. So in this video, I'm going to talk about what are the key differences, what are the key differences between these two AI applications. The first thing is in ChatGPT, you can talk to ChatGPT in a conversational manner, like a user. If you want to have a conversation with ChatGPT application, you can start having a conversation. So let's say for an example, you want to go to France and you like to go there as a tourist, and you like to know some good places. So let's say uh, I am a guy who likes to travel to France in the next couple of months. Could you please help me to find nice hotels and places? Okay, so this is my requirement. I am a guy who likes to travel to France in the next couple of months. Could you please help me to find nice hotels and places? Okay, I'm going to hit enter. So what ChatGPT is doing is it is giving the details according to your requirements. So it says, of course, traveling to France sounds like a wonderful plan. France offers a diverse range of attractions from stunning cities and historical landmarks to beautiful countryside and coastal regions. Okay, so uh, the beauty of ChatGPT application is it is going to talk to you in a friendly manner. You're chatting with ChatGPT tool, but you cannot do the same thing with Google Bard application. That is the one major difference between these two applications. So I'll show you what else we can do with ChatGPT application. So you got the answer, right? You asked a question, you got the answer. Now, the best thing is you can still go back to ChatGPT application and you can ask more questions. I would like to visit places which are not so cold. Okay, maybe you don't like to spend time in cold cities. So you hit enter. So this is your requirement. So it is also responding to you now. If you prefer to visit in France that are not too cold, it's best to focus on regions with mild climates, especially during cooler months. Here are some destinations that generally have more temperate weather. French Riviera, Provence, Bordeaux, Loire Valley. So it is recommending a lot of places according to your requirement. Okay, so this is the best part of ChatGPT application. Now, when it comes to Google Bard, this is another AI application called Bard. This is a competitor to ChatGPT. So let's also check what it does. Okay, I'm going to click on try as well. So uh, let's say I would like to visit a new country. I would like to visit a new country in Europe as a tourist for a few weeks. Recommend a few places to travel. I'm going with my wife and let's say two kids. The region should not be too cold and they should have fun activities like going to music shows and playing sports every day. Okay, so this is my requirement. I'm just giving a random requirement. This is called prompt. Okay, in ChatGPT, what happens is when you give this kind of information, it is going to customize according to your requirement, and it is going to give the accurate details for you. It is going to give the right details for you. Now I'm trying the same thing in Google Bard as well and see how it goes. I'm going to hit enter. This may also give a response or a feedback according to our requirement, but it may not be as accurate as ChatGPT application. So that is the key difference. See, it is just giving some examples like, sure, here are a few recommendations for places to visit Europe, so and so, Barcelona, Spain, Portugal, Italy, but it is not so good as ChatGPT. It is not, customizing according to my requirement. It is just giving some countries where you can visit. But in ChatGPT, you can actually ask some questions. You can ask some questions. If you don't like the answer, you can also ask few more questions. So this is the key difference between Bard and ChatGPT. And the second difference is, in ChatGPT, the responses will be immediate and you will get the accurate answer. But in Google Bard application, sometimes when users want to access some information on Google, you get several links, right? You get several links. If you type something in Google search, you get several links. You click on first link and you will see the answer. If you don't like it, you go to the second link, and if you don't like the answer, you go to the third link. So what is happening is, in Google, you are visiting several websites for the information that you are looking for it, so it is taking a lot of time for you. But in ChatGPT, what happens is, you ask one question, it is going to give an accurate answer. So basically, ChatGPT is saving a lot of time. It's saving a lot of time for the users. Okay. So this is the key difference between these two applications. So one more key difference between these two applications is, in ChatGPT, the information is not up to date. Everything is good about ChatGPT, but the information is not up to date. It has information until 2021. When you ask a question on ChatGPT, it is going to get all the details on the internet before 2021 year, because it is still in the process of getting updated. So it is going to show all the information before 2021. But in Google AI Bard application, since this is a search engine and it is connected to several websites, and Google is connected to you know several blogs, Wikipedia articles, and everything, the information is always up to date. The information is also always up to date. So that is one best thing about Bard application. It is going to give the updated information, but it is not user friendly. You cannot chat with Bard application. But in ChatGPT, you can chat and you can talk like any other human, like a friend or something. You can have a conversation. It is going to give all the details. So this is the another key difference. And the other thing is, in ChatGPT, according to your questions, it is going to create some kind of personality. So ChatGPT will understand, based upon your questions, it is going to have a personality for you, and it is going to give feedback according to your personality. So if you ask, like, if you're asking too many questions about travel, if you're asking too many questions about food and all these things, it will understand, okay, this guy likes to travel, this guy likes to eat food, this guy likes to eat, this guy likes to read books. So it is going to customize according to your requirement. But in Bard, it is still like a search engine, so it gives whatever information it is stored on the World Wide Web. Okay, so these are the key differences between ChatGPT and Bard AI application. Okay, I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you for watching. I will catch you in the next video. Bye bye.